Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2018 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.